And then I said, screw you, sir. And he said, sir, I did give you the right change.
Oh, what's up, bitches? I'm just talking on my stolen phone. This Rucka Rucka Ali. I now got 2 strikes on this account, Rucka Rucka TV. One of them was Blame It on the Black People. They said was hate speech. That song's from like last year, man. I got fans older than that song. The other one was AIDS in our butts. They said, fuck you, Rucka, and they took that shit right away. You know what? Fine. I got a new account now. It's Rucka Rucka TV 3. That's right. I can keep going all day, man. There's a lot of fucking numbers in the alphabet. I keep on going. Rucka Rucka TV 3. And come check out all my new shit. It's Rucka Rucka Ali. Y'all, stay away from drugs and shit. Oh, by the way, you motherfuckers uploading my shit, put my goddamn name in the title. You fucking upload my shit, put Rucka Rucka Ali somewhere in the title. What the fuck you trying to do? Pretending to be me? You fucking with the wrong man. Rucka Rucka TV 3. And go to ruckusworld.com where shit don't never get deleted.